In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more yens here in Soccer Zero on Roblox. This is more money and more cash. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But going to get loaded into the game, the first thing that I'd recommend doing is just checking to see if there's any working codes. And we have a full video breaking down all the working codes. But to enter them in, just hit codes and you can type them in. You could use this one as well, release, which is currently working. But try it, make sure it works. That'll get you some easy like 5,000 yen off the bat. But from here, the main way to get more money is just to play matches. The better you perform, the more you can earn. Try and score goals, help your team out, and win matches overall to build up yen a lot faster. You can also complete daily quest and weekly quest as well. And as you can see, you can get yen from doing those. And I've already done one as well. They're extremely easy, but go ahead and knock those out as well as the weekly quest to gain a ton of free yen. But that's the best ways to get more money, whether it's codes, playing matches, scoring goals, winning games, and completing quests. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.